How do you feel about the Privy Council saying that it's going back for retrial?
No, him not deserve it. I don't feel good about it. Right now, everybody replace things. Nobody know what going because him not deserve that. Him deserve to come off road freedom. I don't understand it either. Why retrial?
Do do you think that he will eventually be freed when it's brought back to court in Jamaica?
But must have to. Cause I don't understand what going on. Of course. Them have to go free the world boss.
When that day comes, what would you be doing?
Celebrating. Celebrating. World boss. One world boss. No other world boss. Freedom is a must.
Do you know him personally?
Of course. Vibes got to give me first $20. Vibes got to take care of the kids them around here. Everybody here around here. Everybody's safe. Even when him not there, everybody's still safe. Yeah. Never have a bad experience. Yeah.
And when you say $20, you mean $20
$20 US. Yeah. My first US. You know?
Yeah.
Vibes got to go to school with my uncle, you know. So I know him personally. Yeah.
So everybody just await for the day to come out.
Yeah, and right now everybody just confused right now because nobody not understand why retrial.